Hi, everyone. After today's class, I didn't get a great feeling that a lot of us truly understood what was going on with the sorting. So perhaps I can be of some assistance here. Let me record some things for you here, some things to keep in mind, and then maybe you can retry some of those questions a little bit later on. Okay. Let's just review how to start sorting your spreadsheet. All right. So here is the sorting practice spreadsheet that I gave you. Remember, number one, generally we want to keep all of the people's information together, right? I don't want Anna Thomas's eye color and ice cream at City to get mixed up, right? So in order to not only sort the first names, just put the first names in alphabetical order, but leave everything else alone, we're going to want to select the entire spreadsheet, okay? So you can either click in cell A1 and then drag around until you actually select all 100 students. Okay, that's an option. Or you can, if you just click on the label up here in the top left-hand corner between the A and the 1, this empty box, you'll be able to select the entirety of the spreadsheet. Okay, now that all the data is selected, and unfortunately over the weekend, Google did some updating, so it moved some things around. Here in this the newer updated menu structure here, you want to go to Data, Sort Range, sort that range of cells, and we want to go to the Advanced Sorting options. Okay. All right. So this is going to want to sort the entire spreadsheet. And I generally, if your columns are labeled, you should check off Data has a header row. Right? That'll, again, not only include all of the labels in this dropdown, so you can see what column you're sorting on, but it also takes the header rows out of the data to be sorted. So it won't try to put your labels in the middle of your data. Okay, it always will keep your labels in row 1. Okay. Again, can we take a look maybe at question 3? If I take a look at question 3, right? I'm going to sort the sheet in reverse order by city and then by gender. Okay. So I want to sort by city. So you can say sort by, pick what you want here. Here is where it controls the order. Do you want the city to go in ascending order, so put the from A to Z, or do you want them in reverse order, descending order from Z to A? In this case, I want to sort the city in reverse order. Okay, so we're going to go from Z to A. When I say then by gender, I don't mean sort this and then sort again. I mean we're going to actually put another column in here. Watch what happens here. If I just sort by city, okay, so here are all of my Roxbury students. Okay, and here are all the Rockaway Park students. Okay, and we go down to the bottom list, we'll have all the Brooklyn students, right? But I'll take the smaller subset of Roxbury, right? Now that all of the Roxbury students are together, I want to sort them again by gender. So I want to have all the male students together and all the female students together within Roxbury, right? Here, if you look right now in column C, they're mixed together. We have male, female, male, female, female, male, female. I want to get all the females together and all the males together. Okay. I don't want to sort this again because now I'm going to sort by gender and we won't have the cities together. So what we need to do in cases like this is we're going to sort by multiple columns. So first I want to sort by city. And in this case, we said we'll go reverse alphabetical order. And then add another sort column. Anytime you see someone who has the same city, take those students and then sort them again, just those students, by this second column. So here we want to sort by gender. Now, I didn't really say what order to put them in. I'll do both just to show it to you. Okay. And now, if we look at the Roxbury students here, we have all the cities sorted in reverse alphabetical order. And then we have the females on top and the males below. Okay, so here it is now taken all the students, sort them all by city, get the Roxbury students together, and then within Roxbury, sort female and male. Okay, so first by city, then by gender. Okay, if we scroll down, you'll see the Rockaway Park students. Here are all the Rockaway Park students, and you'll see female and then male. Again, if I show maybe Brooklyn, here's a lot of Brooklyn students. Okay, here are all of the female students, and then below them, all the male students. Okay, so it's really just a couple of steps. Select all of your data, go to data. So we're going to sort range, go to the advanced sorting options. Always check off data as a header row, and then decide which criteria you want to sort by. My general thought here is what's the first thing you want to sort by? I'll sort by age. And then everyone who has the same age, how would you like to then sort them? That's what the second criteria would be. Um, eye color. Okay. So in this case, we'll get sort everyone by age. Then everyone who has the same age, let's sort them by eye color. And then if you keep adding, we can add another one here. And then by ice cream flavor. So we'll get everyone grouped together first by age, then within age, eye color. And then everyone who has the same age and eye color, then we'll sort them by their favorite ice cream. That makes sense. Okay. Hopefully that will help. Watch this and then try to see if you can finish the questions from class today. And maybe we can talk about this at the beginning of tomorrow's class. Okay. Hope this helps. Thanks, everyone.